Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make white hot chocolate. It's really good to warm this up, but yeah, instead of any other something, I'm actually using white chocolate for the recipe, and it still really is good. So, let's get started. Alright, get it on my saucepan and put in 3 cups of milk. 1 cup of chocolate chips. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Turn the heat on to medium. And then just stir that. And wait for the chocolate to melt and heat this up very slowly. But do not make the milk boil, otherwise it'll squash the white chocolate. So just heat it up very gently. Alright, this is ready. Now just leave it out here for another 2 or 3 minutes and then pour it into a mug and serve. And there you go. That's a cup of white hot cocoa. Yum. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for a nice cozy white hot chocolate, and look at the closer. Look as you can see. Really yum, so let's give it a try. Perfect for a nice freezing cold day for sure. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on next Monday for a new recipe. Peace out.